Hello, everybody. Good evening. Welcome to another section of our graphic design class. So today, I want to show you guys how to design quickly your profile, your design profile. It's going to be a simple design, but it's going to be exquisite. I've already downloaded some materials that we're going to use for this design. You're going to just use your picture and then some of the text that I have here. So the essence of this design is to have what we call a design brand, a design flyer. Yeah, a flyer you can use to show people that, yeah, hi, I'm a designer, right? So there are several ways you can do it. There are several ways you can do it. I'm going to show you one of the ways you can do it today using this particular formula that I have. So without further ado, let me just quickly let me just quickly set my all right, so we're good to go now. We're just good to go. Let me see if I'm okay. Yeah, it's recording. All right, so first things first, we add a shape to our background, right? A shape. Now you can decide not to add any shape to your canvas, but I have this habit of adding shapes to my background, so that I can design on top of the shape, not on my canvas, right? So once I do that, I'm going to lock this shape, right? Once I lock it, I now know that I'm going to every design I'm going to do will be on top of this particular shape, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my images. I'm going to add an image, or before I add an image, let me just add a circle somewhere here, right? What color am I going to use now? Let's use something shouty, yellow. Yeah, yellow, not this yellow. Yeah, something like this. So let me use something like this, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be using something like this, a yellowish color like this. All right, yeah. Or I can even make it a free form, but that's for another training. So I added a yellow color here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm going to insert an image. So from gallery, I'm going to insert an image. Sorry, downloads. Yeah, I downloaded these images recently, and I what did I even do? I removed their background from remove.bg, right? Yeah. So I'm going to insert this image, something like this, right? Yeah. I'm going to insert this image here. Wow, this design is already looking beautiful. I've not even started. Okay, so I'm going to lock this too, right? If you notice, I lock all my designs because it makes it easier for me when I'm working with other ones. Okay, so I know what I'm holding and what I'm touching, right? I think this is too big. Let me just reduce it a little bit. Get out of here. Okay, come to this side. Come to the river of life. All right, this is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to lock it right here. Now, I want to show people that I am a designer. All right, I want to show people that I am a designer. I do designs and stuff like that, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to type. I'm going to type. So I go to text. I write text. I say, let me edit the text. Say, hi, my name is, what's my name, Seth? No. Okay, yeah, you can do my name is, but I like using I am Chijamz, so I'll just say I am Chijamz, right? Yeah. So I'm just going to use I am Chijamz. Okay, yeah. So I put hi, I am Chijamz. Then I'll go to fonts. Remember when I taught you about Pixel Lab and how it works? So I'll go to, not here, pardon, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So I can create space. Then I'll go to fonts because I want to change the font to something good. So I'll type for, you can use any font though. You can use, no, not this font. there is a font I really wanted to use today, but any font that can work in italics, because that's what I want to do. No. Searching this thing will be hard, so let me look for Bibo. Where you? Okay. Think I'll just use this. Fine, let me just use Taken. Taken used to normally be the one that I use. Okay. Yeah. So that's too small. Let me increase the size to something that is this. No. I don't like this design. I don't like this font. It has to be something that is legible. So let's just forget the theatrics and go and just use Montserrat. Aha, good. Let me look for Montserrat that is okay. Maybe a light Montserrat. Yeah. Hi, I am Chijamz. As simple as that. You see? So let me change the color of this text to black. Yeah. I think this is okay. So I am Chijamz. I design and brand. Yeah. So and that I'm gonna add on that test, right? No, not this one. I'm not sure of my recording. Okay, it is. So I'm gonna write here I brand and I design. Right? Yeah. So I brand and I design is going to be what is going to be boldly written here. Okay. And I'm still going to use one font. Remember what we'll talk to you guys about fonts, right? So I'm going to use Montserrat fonts. Bold right now. So I brand and I design. If you notice, this is kind of how will I put it now? It's kind of too scattered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this spacing tool to reduce the space. You see what I'm doing? I'm reducing the space around it. Then I'm going to change the color again to black, right? I brand and design, and I'm going to change the font of the and, right? I want to make it something else, something like I think I'm going to use this calligraphy, or let me see. No. Okay, I'm going to use this calligraphy, and then I will change the size of that and too, so that it can how do I put it now, so that it can cover up for the entire. Okay, yeah, I've not still got what I'm looking for though. Yeah, line spacing. Yeah, good. Sorry, this is what I was looking for. So I brand and I design. Okay, so there's something I want to do now. If you look at this, it's looking good though, but it's not looking different. All right, so there's something I'm going to do now. I'm going to change the color of the designs. I'm going to change the color of the brand. I think that would suffice. Let's see. Okay, let me just pick a color. You guys already know of the color picker, right? Yeah. Aha! This is what I'm talking about. So I brand and I design. It's now looking good. What else do we do now? Okay, I brand and design for companies and firms, right? So I'm going to add another test, and it's going to say for companies and firms. Now this is not just it's not like a benchmark of what you can write. This the whole thing I did not plan. Remember, you have to plan your design first before you start designing. So I did not plan this design before now. It's just coming out of my head, right? So that means that what I might be saying might not really necessarily be making sense. Okay, so you have to go back to your drawing board and draft out something amazing. All right, draft out something very amazing. Okay. So I'm just going to use this. This black, this color makes it very, 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 very irresponsible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. It's not a good design. And then I am going to add something else. I think let me just bring this down. Hi, I am Chijamz. I brand and I design for companies. Okay, yeah, I know what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to add a shape. Yeah, I'm going to add this shape. I'm going to make it somehow like this. All right, somehow like this. Now I'm thinking of what I'm going to do to it. I'm going to give it this color, and then inside the shape, right, inside the shape I will now put for companies and brand. How about that? Right, so it will look like I know what I'm yeah, it will look like, yeah, this person actually knows what he's doing, right? I brand and design for companies and brands, and then the companies and brands are here. So I want to add that text again. For companies and firms, right here. Okay. Let me reduce the size. So because this guy is small, I'm going to make it 30. All right. No, 20 something. But let me add the padding and see. Okay, if there is any point you did not understand what I did in any part of this video, please feel free to replay the video. All right, feel free to replay the video. I'll say it again. Now, because I've increased the padding, I can now go ahead and increase it to 30. Okay, 30 now. I'll change the color to white because it's already in the background, and then I'm going to change the font to bold because it is inside a placeholder. It's called a placeholder, right? So as you can see here, okay, let me reduce the size to 27 or 28, then centralize it. Okay, all right, this is good. And then this guy, I'm going to reduce it a little bit so it doesn't look too bold on it. In fact, I just had an idea right now, something that can make this design look more beautiful. So we can do something like this. Let me show you guys something. Color, right? We can gradient the color, right? Whereby we would have, sorry, let me use gradient. Whereby, oh wow, I'm liking this red. So I think we just have to like uncle. Okay, so this guy, right? Color, enable color, gradient. Wow, it's looking beautiful. Let me see if we can do it here. Okay, color, gradient. Wow, but I prefer the previous color, so let's work with what we had before, right? Yeah, well, I think you can just play around with it. You can play around with the gradient. It makes your designs beautiful, right? I've done some gradient works over time that I can tell you that wow, It makes your work very, very, very beautiful. So now I said, hi, I am Chijamz. I brand and design for companies and brands. So what do I do, right? So the next thing I can say here is the things I do. Okay. So what do I even do, Seth? Okay, yeah, yeah. I can't forget what I do now. Come on. I'm going to go here, edit it, right? Um, I design innovative flyers and posters for social media. I create amazing logos and customer appealing brand materials. Then something like, okay, I think that I'll stop here. You can write as many things as you want, but I'll just say, if you need my services, contact me using any of the channels below. So that means why I wrote this means that there is a channel I'm going to put below, right? So I'm going to, wow, this is huge, man. Okay, so I'm going to pad it, right? And then I think I'm going to reduce the size to, now you're talking. Okay, increase, and then do this, increase. No. Reduce it to, in fact, let me just add a font, because I think the font will help me arrange it well. So Montserrat regular. Have you guys noticed that I use just two fonts for the entire design? Yeah, it happens. So I'm going to reduce the size to 15. Yeah. So if I reduce it to 15, makes more sense. No, let's make it 18. 20, yeah. Okay, this is okay. So now I think I have done something good, right? I think I've done something good here. So I'm now going to add the below that I said. So there are two ways I can do this, right? There are two ways I can do this. Number one is I can just put a line, something like this, shape. They didn't have line as shape in this pixel lab. Okay, they don't have line, so it's always rectangle. I can just make a rectangle this way, right? Then stretch it like this, add a stroke to it, so a stroke, and then add a color, black color to the stroke, right? Add a color black again, and then I have my line, right? So I can add a line here. What's this, uncle? Hey, I did not. Okay, close. Yeah, good. Now I can add a line here. The line I've refused to move. Okay, I can add a line here, and then put in my details under it. But that's kind of all I see, kind of olden days now, right? So what I do now, okay, let me do it. Let me do it so I can show you, because this is what designers like us they do, right? Selection. Let me move this guy. Okay, I'm trying to move this uncle. Alright, shift a little bit, then carry him and move him here. Alright, so my hand is okay. Let me just zoom this guy so that I can walk well, right? Yeah. So here it is, right? No, my hand is not picking this thing. No. Is it that there is no blood in my hand again? All right, guy, please move. Thank you. So this is it. I can do something like this, right? Then I'll now put in. Let me put in my phone number. What the? Yeah, I'll put in my phone number. What's my phone number again? Okay, for international company for 234-809. Sorry, plus 234-809-257-2647. Right? Then okay, it's not visible. Let me change the color and the padding. Color black. This guy is too big, so I'll change the size to here. I think that's okay. Then I'll change the font again to Montserrat regular, right? Yeah. Okay, that's my phone number. All right. Next thing I can add is my Facebook and Instagram. All right, that's like how people can contact me. Okay, so I'll add my Facebook and Instagram handles. I'll go to here. In fact, instead of doing all this, I can just edit this guy or duplicate it into two places, right? Then edit this one and put in my Instagram handle at Chijamz. What was that? Chijamz what? Academy underscore, right? Then this one I'll edit it and put at okay, Facebook is just Chijamz Academy bar. Chijamz Academy, right? Yeah. Okay, so now I have these guys written down here and here. I need to add social media icons, remember? So what I'll do is I'll just quickly go get them wherever it is they are, right? Look for my social media icons. This is for WhatsApp, this is for Facebook, and this is for Instagram, right? So there are two ways to get social media icons. There are two basic ways to get social media icons. Either you download them online, you download, crop, and do all those things, or there is a font I have here on my Pixel Lab. For Canva, you can just go to tools, elements, download Facebook icons and stuff like that. You can just work. But for Pixel Lab, you need to use there is this icon I have. There is this font I have. I know that F is for Facebook, right? TI is for Instagram. Let me just try it out. Though is for Facebook. Okay, so I'll change the font right now. Font color to this so it can be visible. Then I'll change the font. It's up there, but I don't know the sorry. It's up there, so I'll just search for icon. Here it is. So F is for Facebook, right? Now I'm going to move the Facebook on down. Sorry, where are you? Okay, I've seen it. Position it up. So you see how easy this is, how very easy it is. So instead of me going online to go look for I think I did not position it very well. Instead of me going online to go and start searching for icons for social media, right? I could just quickly edit this, right? And then get the icon I am looking for. So yeah, that's how it works. This is F is for what? So let me try T is for Twitter. Okay, I think I'm just going to try everything. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Yeah, So I'm going to try all of them and know which one is which. Okay, so where is Instagram here? ABC. C is Instagram. Don't forget, C is Instagram. Which other one? WhatsApp. Okay, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N. N is WhatsApp. So you see an N I'm looking for. So let me just clean all these guys. Right, C. Well, how come C is Instagram? Yeah, I've not really thought about it. Okay, now I have for Instagram. I'm gonna move it down. Alright, this is too slow. Okay. This is doing as if I'm playing a game. Damn. Alright. Okay. So that's that for. Okay, no, it's not really settled, right? Okay. The next one is the next. So the next one I'm going to do now is for WhatsApp. So I'm just going to edit the other one I had already, the Instagram one, right? Copy, and then what was WhatsApp? I think WhatsApp was T. No, WhatsApp was not T. Hey, voila. WhatsApp was N. Yeah, WhatsApp was N. So I'm going to edit WhatsApp now. I'll move it down here. Position. Bring it down. Sorry, down. Okay. Alright. So guys, you see how easy this thing is. The thing is, you have to learn it very well. This guys is not really well arranged, and I like to arrange my works. So no, yeah, and this one is not, yeah. So there's something I want to show you now. There's something I want to show you about this entire design, right? I want to show you about this entire design. Take a look at this. Let me lock everything so that it will be easy for me to do this. All right, good. Now this design is very beautiful, right? Very, very beautiful. Okay, but there's something that you did not see or you did not notice when I was doing the design. Is what I call alignment. Let me show you. Whenever I do a design, I make sure that there is a space here. Do you notice the spaces? This my listen is not straight though, but at least you should notice this space that is here. So the essence of this space here and here and here under here is so that peradventure someone wants to use this design for something, and then there is need for them to crop up a particular part. The part that is still here will still show. The part that that is relevant for the design will still show. So guys, I think this is where we're going to end today's class. No, that's not where we're going to end. Now this design is beautiful. I can save it as a project. What am I going to save now? Brand and design, right? I like saving all my projects. I have a lot of them here. Or I can save it as an image. But if you look at it now, I use Ultra to save, so it can be very, very clear. It's the highest quality available. Now, when I save this as an image, it looks very, very vague and just there. So I'm going to add something. Something I learned recently from my boss. Where is it? Okay, it was from WhatsApp images. Okay, so I got it from WhatsApp business documents. Here, this is it. So this is what I'm looking for. It's a background, right? It kind of makes the work look exquisite. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to overlay it, right? I'm going to overlay it here, and after I overlay it, I'm going to send it to the back. So I'm going to send it to that back that I created first before I started design. So it's going to be on top of this place, right? No, not here. Here. Yes. So are you seeing the difference in design now? Are you noticing something about this design? There's something different about this design. Yeah, that's what it does. So guys, your assignment is to redo this design with your name and your brand and your picture, and then send it to the group by tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow we'll do something else, something amazing too. So thank you so much for being part of this training. You can try out different colors, different every other thing. Okay, just be innovative, be creative. All right. Okay, so this is what we're gonna end today's section of the training. Some people are making noise here. Thank you so much for being part of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.